Zoom user? Right quick. What is your name?
Yuli is Dubar.
Who?
Yuli is Dubar.
Dubar. You said
Dubar.
Dubar. Right? Just Dubar. Give me 1 second, Your Honor. Dubar.
I have Dubar on the docket.
I don't see a Dubar on my docket.
They told me my court date was I'm on the 15th.
Today was 14.
Case number?
Today's Your Honor, today's the 14th. So if they told him his court date was on the 15th, that's tomorrow.
Yeah, but my lawyer just called and said log into Zoom.
Who's your lawyer?
Excuse me.
Who's your lawyer?
And I think it's Andrea Roberts or something like that.
Andrea Roberts.
Yeah. Andrea Roberts.
Okay, sir. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room for a second until she comes. I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. Okay.
What did he say his name was?
His name is Dubar. I get him back out. Dubar.
I looked it up.
Dubar. Yeah.
Mr. Dubar, what's your name? Spell your name.
Mr. Dubar is not back. Those are my two clients, Mr. Dancy and Mr. Robinson.
He's the Zoom user, Mr. Dumbar. Mr. Dumbar, turn on your video and give the judge your full name. Okay, what's your full name? Oh, we lost him. Okay. Mr. Dancy and Mr. Robinson, I'm about to open court. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Ronald Davis, ticket number. Z786545, count 1, operating while intoxicated, first offense. Ticket number SP787200, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number SP1232221, count 1, driving register on title vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Mr. Davis. Mr. Davis, please say your name for the record.
Ronald Davis.
Hands up, sir.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. I am not aware that his officers have signed in. And as a direct result, they were set for trial at 9 a.m. It's not 10:42. I'm seeking a dismissal of these.
And Corporal Spidell did sign in.
Oh, thank you.
Corporal Spidell.
So the unregistered, untitled motor vehicle, Your Honor, he did have an officer on.
All right, so that would be a proper place. One officer did check in on your matter, and that is where the driving register or untitled vehicle, the offer would be in proper place. That is a no point offense, and there would be a fine. Did you want to take advantage of that? Or you could, oh, it is separate trial. All right. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. You kind of briefly had an opportunity to talk to the court with the attorney present about your case and your rights. Is that true?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Right now, I was looking at this guy. He has all my information. ID. You know what I'm saying? Because when I'm
Do you have your registration?
yeah, I have my registration.
Oh, let me.
No, I don't got the registration. I'm talking about this guy right here.
Do you have registration on your vehicle currently?
Oh, no, they just canceled this week.
All right, I guess,
But can I show you something on here?
what are you gonna show me?
Yeah, get all my information, but my face ain't here.
You're saying this isn't you? Are you saying this is not you?
It probably is because just look at this.
The address on Fenmore?
Yes,
Is that you?
yes.
Okay, that's what I got here.
All right.
All right, so, and you were born in 68?
Yes,
That's what I have here. I forgot where I left off. Did I complete this, advice,
You
right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 29, 2021 at 8:30 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Greenfield and Puritan in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2006 GMC vehicle?
yes.
Was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
I just bought a show and had to tell you.
Okay, so you're satisfied, Ms. Gabe Robinson?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
First officer satisfied, the factual basis will amend the count to improper place, will proceed to sentencing. There is a $200 fine, and you have to pay by July 14th.
July 14th. Yeah,
You sure?
yeah, July 14th, because I only my check to the 3rd.
You get paid once a month,
Yeah, once a month.
August 4th. I'll do, August 14th.
All right.
If you need to go on a payment plan, you just have to have at least 25% down. You gotta come down to the courthouse.
All right.
All right, and the other matters were dismissed. Did you have any questions, sir?
Yeah, because they said my license was suspended
I see.
because police pulled me over yesterday. He didn't tell me why, but he just said my license was suspended, gave me a ticket.
So you got another ticket?
Yeah, I got another ticket. He just said my place. He just looked at my face and said, my license was suspended.
Well, that definitely is not in the system yet, but, it might be suspended, so I hope you didn't drive down here, but it might be suspended. You need to contact the Secretary of State.
Yeah.
You need to get all your tickets, cleared up. Okay, so you did get these tickets resolved at the current open tickets. I'm not sure if this is you. So what I would.
I paid for that 2,500.
Yeah, I'm not sure, there's some other tickets, but I'm not, Ronald Davis is kind of a common name.
It was, I came up here, they took 3 of them off.
Yeah, it looks like you might have cleared up your tickets, you may have some reinstatement fees, but you need to contact the Secretary of State about issues about trying to see about getting your license unsuspended.
So can I pay this ticket?
What kind of ticket is it?
I don't know.
I mean, yeah. Hi.
It's a new ticket.
Yeah, like, yeah,
Yeah, probably ain't in the system yet.
it's not, it's not,
Okay.
it's not even in the system. I don't know if you can pay it yet, it's not even in the system, you just got it,
All right.
right?
Mhm.
You're all set.
All right.
And Judge, just your camera. Yeah. Oh.
All right, we will do. Oh, Ms. Snyder, are you here for Riley?
Is that the dog case, Your Honor?
Yes, yes.
I just jumped on to cover, but actually I just got told that another attorney in my office is going to come on and handle it. She's dismissing a matter in a courtroom and she'll be on very shortly.
Okay, sounds good. All right,
So, Judge, can I bring out Ms. Riley also?
yes. And we'll bring out, we got a couple other officers to bring out. And we're gonna do, Tremaine Dancy. First of all, let me do Raeigen, Rob. Well, no, I don't think it matters. We'll do Tremaine Dancy. Are you gonna open up for it? Or do you have to open it up again? Or?
I opened it. I already opened it.
Oh,
Your
okay.
Honor, with regards to Raheem Robinson,
Yes.
I did not see his officer here, so I'm gonna need, I need an offer on his matter. Cause I had his matter marked as no PO.
So Officer Jackson did check in.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's fine. I see it now on the screen. I did not see him earlier. So I had pulled him out for no PO. So I'm gonna need to talk to a prosecutor about him, about that matter.
They should be here shortly. All right, this is the People versus Tremaine Dancy, ticket number SP 1375762, count 1, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number SP 1393761, count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number SP 986326, count 1, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 986599, count 1, fails to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, driver's license never required. Ticket number SX 3453037, count 1, no operator's license / multiple slots. Count 2, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Ticket number B111631, harboring and a licensed dog. Ticket number B111632, count 1, harboring and a licensed dog. Ticket number B111633, count 1, failure to provide proof of rabies vaccination. Ticket number B111634, failure to provide proof of rabies vaccination. Ticket number SP 1023935, count 1, drove by license not valid proper license. Ticket number, I'm sorry, count 2, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1008922, count 1, driver's license never required. Ticket number SP 1437431, count 1, failed to display valid operator's license without person. And ticket number SP 1191365, count 1, drove while unlicensed. Morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Dwyer.
Officer Dwyer.
All right, Sergeant Neal.
Sergeant Neal.
What else we have? Officer Marston.
Officer Marchand.
Marchand, I'm sorry. And Corporal McCree.
Corporal McCree, badge 2865, DPD.
Officer Robinson.
Officer Willie Robinson, badge 2590, Detroit Police.
All right, with that,
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Mr. Dancy. Mr. Dancy, please state your name for the record.
Tremaine Dancy.
Your Honor, Mr. Dancy has several other matters that officers have not appeared for. The ones that the officers are not present for, we are seeking dismissals of those matters.
all right, so let me just make sure I got these right. All right, so the ones where the officers did not appear, and I'm so surprised that Investigator Chandler is not here. Those matters will be dismissed without prejudice, and as the officer failed to appear, and then we'll have a plea to fail to display. Raise your right hand, Mr. We'll do the most recent ones. Mr. Dancy, do you swear or furnish the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes, ma'am.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with the guilty plea? Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
I thought this was trial.
Today is set for trial. Did you want to go to trial? We got all these officers ready.
Oh, no, whatever you saying, I just didn't
No,
understand.
Mr. Dancy, because you are accepting the offer to plead to 2 out of all of these tickets and the rest will be dismissed, you are not having a trial today. Are you clear on that?
Okay, yes, not, see, I was
Do you
clear.
understand? Yes or no? Do you understand that?
Yes,
Do you also understand that you are giving up any rights you would have had you gone to trial?
yes,
Do you understand that by accepting this plea, the matters will be resolved and you will not be able to come back and say, oh, I want a trial?
yes.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna direct your attention to July 28th, 2022 at 1:05 p.m. On that day and time, were you at or near McClellan and Verner in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
Were you driving 2006 GMC vehicle?
yes,
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
yes,
I'm gonna direct your attention to April 22nd, 2021 at 6:35 p.m. On that day and time, were you at or near Gratiot Fairport in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving 2006 GMC vehicle?
yes,
Were you driving while unlicensed?
yes,
You're satisfied, Ms.
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Then as to the tickets that are not dismissed because of the officers that failed to appear, but the other tickets you stipulate to probable cause.
I do stipulate, Your Honor.
So those matters are dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be 2 fines of $250, so it's gonna be a total of $500. Can you have that paid by July 14th?
not
Tell the
that
truth.
soon. Probably August. I'm not gonna have it that fast.
Okay, so Miss,
August 14th.
okay, August the 14th, Mr. Dancy. If
Uh-huh.
for some reason you need more time, you're gonna have to go physically down to the court and set up a payment arrangement with the payment arrangement room. You're gonna have to have at least 20%, so you need at least $100 if you need more time than that.
Okay,
And you're gonna have to be able to tell them what you can pay, and you're gonna have to keep up with your payment arrangements, because if you don't complete your payment arrangements, they don't have to allow you another one.
correct. Okay. Can I pay online?
Yes, sir.
You can if you're gonna pay it and not enter into the payment arrangement. But if you need to say, hey, I might need more time, then you need to start that at the court for the payment arrangement.
Okay, I understand
But
that.
if you're just gonna pay it all off by August, then you can start making your payments like layaway online or at the DivDat machines throughout the city. DIV, DAT, where you can walk up and put $40 in the machine on your tickets. But give it exact change, because it's not gonna give you change back.
Correct, I understand. I know exactly what you're.
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Thank you, officers. You all are set as well.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Miss Rogers, good morning. I think Miss Gaten Robinson needs to speak to you about, so 2 people need to speak to you, or no, I know you're here. I think you've already spoke. I think we're ready to proceed as to Miss Riley, but Miss Gaten Robinson needs to speak with you regarding Raeigen Robinson. It's the discharge of firearm. The officer is present. That is Officer Jackson.
Okay, great. I will speak to,
Your Honor, I need,
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, this is Attorney French. I do need to speak with the city attorney
All
prior
right,
to
so why
proceeding.
don't you guys all go into a breakout room really briefly. And then, we also have Isaac Ruffin. So he's not on camera, but he is set for trial. The officer is here. It's a BAC .1704. And so, I don't know.
It's set for pretrial?
It's set for trial and the officer is here. So if it's gonna go to trial, we'll obviously adjourn it, but if he's willing to do a plea, so can you give us a plea for that one?
Yep,
Your
I'll
Honor,
come down and look at the file.
Your Honor, I'm going to be honest. We're probably going to need Mr. Robinson to physically, for that type of charge, because we have had people call in and pretend to be other people. We're going to need to be able to see him either way.
Okay, we'll just adjourn it and have him come in person. So don't even worry about it, Ms. Rogers.
Thanks, Judge.
Yeah,
All right,
'cause
thank you.
I don't want somebody to come back and say, hey, I never agreed that I did that drunk driving, and they get that suspension on their license and all that stuff. And then they don't know that wasn't me.
Your
Honor,
this
Officer Allison.
Yeah, you're all set, Officer Allison. We're gonna adjourn it and give it another day.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, so you guys can all go into, I guess, room number 1.
Room 1, thank you.
And
Ms. Robinson, do you want Mr. Robinson to go back to the breakout room? She left. Oh, no, she did.
Yes,
You muted.
please.
Mr.
Yes,
Robinson, tap your screen, Mr. Raeigen, and go back to your breakout room. Tap your screen. Mr. Reddick, turn on your video. Mr. Robinson, tap your screen and rejoin your breakout room, and your attorney will come in there. So Isaac Ruffin, Mr. Ruffin.
We're gonna go on the record.
Mr. Ruffin.
Okay, Judge. Okay, and Judge, we also have, okay, he disappeared. Mr. Reddick just zoomed in, but he left, so he probably zoomed back in. He's the reviewer.
Okay.
I'm on here too.
Oh, there he is. Okay, Mr. Reddick, I see you.
Excuse me, Court.
Ms. Riley, you can turn,
Yes.
you can,
Miss-
Ms. Riley,
Yes.
tap your mic and go back to your room. Because
Okay.
your attorney will try to work something out.
Okay.
Okay.
So rejoin your breakout room.
Investigator Green, can you just hold out? We should be ready for you shortly, and Investigator Hoskins, we should be ready for you shortly. Because the attorney just went in and we should be ready. Okay, this is,
Okay, 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while court's in session. There's no walking, talking, reading, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device. Undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Isaac Ruffin, ticket number Z808921. Count 1, I think it's operating. It's operating a blood out BAC .174 or more. Good morning, please say your name to the record. Mr. Fillmore, can you just do this? Mr. Fillmore, are you around?
I think they both. Okay.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. Sorry about that. I'm sorry, which case are we calling, Your Honor?
Isaac Ruffin, we're just gonna adjourn it for an in-person bench trial.
Isaac Ruffin.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Ruffin, who just said his name.
All right, this matter was set for trial, but, and the officer is present, but Mr. Ruffin is on the phone, and because of the serious nature of the charges, we think it's just best to, if he can't work soon, to do it in person. So we're gonna set this for an in-person hearing. 29th.
Yeah.
We'll do June 29th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So did you get that, Mr. Ruffin? You're gonna come in to the courthouse for an in-person hearing on 29th at 9.
June 29th.
Yes, sir, 9 o'clock.
At what time?
9 o'clock?
9 o'clock, June 29th.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
All right, see you then.
Well, I was pleading guilty.
Yeah, just come in and I think it's just best to come in. So just
I
come
was
in.
pleading guilty to the drinking charges.
Okay, well, the attorney thought it was best that you just come in and do it in person instead of doing it over the phone. So just come in on June 29th. It's in 2 weeks.
Okay, I got you. 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, come to the
Okay.
courthouse.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
What happened around downstairs? Said he had a trial. He had an
Okay, investigator Hodgkin and Green, the prosecutor, Ms. Rogers, wants to in the breakout room. So could you please go to breakout room number? You know what I do?
Number 1, please.
You want them in breakout room 1?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll put you both in breakout room 1.
Thank you.
Okay, where is investigator? Okay. Okay, let me put Hoskins in breakout room 1. I can't find you. Wait a minute, let me
Who do you
find
need?
you.
Investigator Haskins, you need Investigator Green, he's in 1.
Yeah, okay, I need Hoskins. I'm put you in breakout room 1.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
And then you want me to check if Reddick did what he was supposed to?
Yeah.
Yes.
Agree. No.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
Well, we'll call this matter.
Hmm?
And let me see if you have the file.
What's the first name? Donald Davis. Ron Davis.
We did wrong.
Yep.
Sorry, Reddick. All right, this is People versus Tyreek Reddick, ticket number SP 1045525, count 2, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please say your names for the record. We're here for a 3-month sentence.
Unmute your device, Mr. Reddick.
Mr. Thor, can you just do this one? It was a 3-month delay sentence. He has complied.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Braddock. Sir, would you please say your name?
Tariq Ahmad Reddick.
All right, this matter was set for a delayed 3-month delayed sentence. He was to pay a fine and have no further police contact. It looks like he has complied with all terms of the 3-month delayed sentence. So with that, Mr. Fillmore, do you move to dismiss this matter with prejudice?
I move to dismiss. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed with prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Reddick. Good luck to you, sir.
Have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye.
All right.
He's coming up. Around on somebody coming on the way up.
Why is he coming back?
Because you said that officer was gone, but he wanted to plead.
Ronald Davis? He already pled.
No, this is
Ronald Robertson.
right.
We have one more, Ronald Robertson. So Darnell, did Corporal, I had Corporal, or Officer Mitchell had appeared, but I don't see him anymore.
Yes, Officer, he came early, Officer Mitchell, and he left a phone number.
Oh, that's right. He's in person, right? He's in person.
Right. And he said he'll be in the building. He left his phone.
That's
number.
right. That's right. That is right. Okay. Thank you. I do remember that. So